Day 5 of the lawn now. I've got a few areas that have dropped. Good thing about this is you'll be able to see those roots. Look, yeah, that's all the roots. There's been a lot of growth over 4 or 5 days. So this has dropped. One week as of today, it's coming along very nicely. Look, there's some browning on the edges. I expected that, that's natural, don't worry about it. I've got a little bit of movement in the soil, which is not unexpected. I've got a very sandy base. It's going to be going all over the place everywhere for a little while. The plan is today to give this a light mow with the cylinder mower. I just want to give it a light touch. I don't want it getting too long. It's attaching really nicely. Some areas aren't quite attached, so this will be a very, very light shave with the mower, not aggressive at all. Well, that mow went fantastically, and straight after the mow, giving it a nice water. So my watering schedule this week, because I don't have the controller set up yet, has been 30 minutes in the morning, 30 minutes at like 5:30, 6 o'clock PM obviously. This week I would have gone down a little bit, but we've got a week of like 41 all week right through to Friday, so I will keep that regime up for this week, just while it's bedding in still. Tonight, if I wasn't going out, I would have top dressed now. I'll do that tomorrow early in the morning and get the water into it as well. The temperature is a bit annoying, so I'll be leaving the fertilising till it gets a little bit cooler, or I might just try and do it nice and early tomorrow morning. In fact, I've convinced myself into it. That's what I'm going to do. I'll have a nice 4 o'clock in the morning little start and put my launch down. It's only going to be a low dose anyway. It's too windy tonight, so I'm not going to do it tonight. Pretty happy.